आगे पकड़ ले. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, good morning, students. This is Patnaik sir from Railway English Medium School number 1, Bilaspur. From today, we are going to start revision. Yesterday, I told you about the quadratic equations. That today we are going to do revise on the quadratic equation. First of all, what is a quadratic equation? Any algebraic equation having the highest power. What? 2. See here, x cube plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, is it a quadratic equation? No, because the highest power in this algebraic expression is 3. Any equation having the highest algebraic power or having highest power, or you can say the degree. Okay. Now, x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. X square plus 5x equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, any equation having the degree 2 is called a quadratic equation. Now we'll move to solving a quadratic equation. Find the roots. Now to find the roots there are two methods. One is by factorization method and the second method is by formula method. Sometimes in the examination they ask find the roots of the quadratic equation by formula method, then you have to do that particular method only. If any method is not given, then you can do any either of the method. Okay, because finding the roots by completing the the method of completing the squares is deleted from your syllabus. So we'll do how to find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization and then by splitting, then by formula method. See here, find the root x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and you have to find the roots of this equation. For factorization, what you do, you did in class 8 also. First of all, we will multiply first and last. 10 into x square, what is 10 x square? Leave about the x square variable. Then 10. Now we'll find 2 5s are 5 and that. These are by prime factorization method, you'll find the factors of this number. What we'll do first, first and last number 10 into x square is 10x square. Leave about the variable, just go to the constant term 10, find the prime factors. Now see here 2 2 5 here. It is the easiest method. Now see here, this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 or 2 5s are 10, 10 into 1. Now what you have to see that whether now by which numbers you have to take so that by adding or subtracting you should get the middle term. See 2 5 are 10, 5 plus 2 7 or 5 minus 2 3. You are getting this term, so we'll take this as prime factor. Okay, then this can be written as x square minus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3 into x minus 10 equal to 0. Or x square minus 5x minus minus will be what? Plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now what is common over here? You can see clearly, you can see that x is common over here, x minus 5 plus here 2 is common, x minus 5 equal to 0. Or x minus 5 is common, then x plus 2 equal to 0. Now the product of this 2 is 0, means either of it will be 0. Then that is when x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Similarly, when x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. Therefore, you can see roots of quadratic equation equal to 5 and minus. Got it? This is one of the method, that is factorization method by splitting the middle term. Once again, we'll see x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. What we did first, multiply first and last term. This is your first term, first and last. That means constant into coefficient. First term you can say ax square. 10 into x square will be 10x square. Leave the variable. Now what is constant? 10. Now we'll try to find the prime factors of this number. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 ones are. Okay. Now we have to see the number, which numbers we have to take, so that by adding or subtracting you will get the middle term. See, if you take 10, this number 10 ones are 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Here it is minus 3. 10 minus 1 is, had it been 9 here, then we would have taken this number. Now it is what? 3. So we will take 2 this number. 2 plus 5, 7. Now 5 minus 2, 3. So we have to get 3 here. So we will take 5 and 2. X square minus, then 5 minus 2 into x minus 10 equal to 0. Or x square minus 5x minus minus is what? Plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now what is common over here in this? X. X into x minus 5 plus 2 x minus 5 equal to 0. Or you can say x minus 5 is common in both. X minus 5 take, then x plus 2 equal to 0. Now the product of these two is equal to 0. So we have to take either of them will be 0. When x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5. And when x plus 2 equal to 0, you're getting x equal to minus 2. So you can say roots of the quadratic equation 5 and minus 2. Got it? One more problem we'll do here by factorization method. Then we'll do this same problem by formula method. Then it will be clear. You'll get the same answer. Now see here, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now the same problem we are will do again by formula method. See here, formula method, the coefficient of x square will be a, coefficient of x will be b, and this is a constant c equal to minus. Now the equation in terms of x, so we will write x equal to directly you can do it. Okay, plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is your formula. X equal to, you can say, minus b. What is b? Minus 3 plus minus under root b square. That is, what is the value of b? Minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 4 into a. A is 1 into what is c here? Minus 10. Okay, upon 2 into a. What is the value of a here? Or x is equal to minus minus plus, plus minus under root 3 square is 9, minus minus will be plus 40 upon, or you can say, I am writing it over here, x equal to 3 plus minus under root 49 by 2, or x equal to 3 plus minus root 49. What is root 49? 7. 7 upon 2. Then what will take? This here plus and minus. Once you have to take plus sign and next minus sign. So this will be taking positive sign. Once you will write taking positive sign, x equal to 3 plus 7 by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Similarly, taking negative sign, x equal to 3 minus 7 by 2, that is equal to minus 4 by 2 equal to minus. So what are the roots of quadratic equation? Roots of quadratic equation equal to 5 and minus 2. Got it? In the previous method also, by factorization you got the same answer. This is the way how to solve it, by factorization method and by formula method. Okay. If he asks find the roots of the quadratic equation, then you can do either of the method. That means by either by factorization method or by formula. But if a particular method is given, you have to do in that particular method only. Then only marks will be awarded. Okay. Now, see here, we'll do some problems of the exercise. See here, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Now, sum, what is sum? When we add two numbers, the result obtained is called sum. And when we multiply two numbers, whatever the result we get, that is called product. And when we subtract two numbers, the result obtained is called difference. Here find two numbers whose sum is 27. Let one number be x. Let one number be equal to x. What will be other number? Other number equal to. Now the sum of the two numbers is x. If we assume one number x, other will be what? 27 minus x. Now you can see here, when you add this two number, the result is what? 27. Now according to problem, what is saying? The product of these two numbers is 182. Means product means multiply. Means x into 27 minus x equal to 182. Multiply 27. This implies 27x minus x square equal to 182. Or you can say minus x square plus 27x minus 182 equal to 0. This we are wrote in standard form. What is standard form? When you arrange the variables in descending order, then that is called standard form. You might have done in class 9th also. Now, they remember one thing, there should not be negative sign before a x square term. Okay, what we'll do? Multiplying by minus 1, or x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now we can solve by either by splitting the method or by formula method. whichever easy for you. Then you solve, you will get the value of x. Then the numbers are will be x. Suppose x equal to 20, you got it. The other number will be 27 minus 20, that is equal to 7. Whatever, you solve it and get the value. Okay, this is how we will form the equation in a quadratic form. Now we'll move to the next question. In this, generally they ask the altitude of a right triangle. See here this question. The altitude of a right triangle 7 centimeter less than its base of the hypotenuse. Less than the its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides of a right triangle. See here what is altitude? This is a right angle triangle. A, B and C. This is the hypotenuse. This is the altitude. Okay. The length of the altitude is given and the altitude of a right triangle 7 centimeter less than base. Suppose we take base as x, then the altitude will be 7 centimeter less than the base. And the hypotenuse is given 20. It's 13. What you have to find? You have to find the other two sides. Let the base of triangle, I'm writing short, let BC equal to x. What will be AB equal to x minus 7. And hypotenuse AC is given equal to how much? 30. Now in this case, directly you can apply according. We know that in a right triangle ABC, we know that in right triangle ABC, what will be? H square equal to or P square plus B square equal to X square. What theorem? Pythagoras theorem. We are studying similar triangles also. P is x minus 7 whole square plus base is x whole square equal to 13 square. That is equal to. Now solve this part. X minus 7 means a minus b whole square. A square x square minus 2 into a into b. 2 7 ja 14x plus 7 square is 49 plus x square equal to 169. X square plus x square will be 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to, bring this to this side. This is plus. When we will bring this side, this will become minus. Or you can say that 2x square plus 14, minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. Now this is a, now further you can simplify by dividing by 2. That will be easy for x square minus 7x minus x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now as I told you, 60 into x square, 60x square, you will take the term 60. Now find out prime factors. Clearly you can see that 12 5 is 60, 12 minus 5 is 7. So 12 and 5 you can take these numbers and solve it. Then you will get x is equal to x equal to 12, you will get, you are getting x equal to 12 and x equal to 12 and minus 5. Neglecting x equal to minus 5 because the length of the side cannot be negative. So x equal to 12, base equal to 12 and this altitude will be 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. Got it? Now one more type, find the roots. Formula method we did. This one, do all the practice, all the problems related to the problem sums. Okay. Now find discriminants. In the multiple choice, usually they give 1 mark question. Find a discriminant of the equation or the value of d in this equation is equal to this one. See here. Or the nature of the roots. See here, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now find the value of d in this equation or the value of d in the equation. There will be 4 options. You have to find the d. D is called discriminant. Directly very easy this one. A equal to what? Coefficient of x square will be 2. B equal to minus 3 and C equal to 5. So D is given by the formula B square minus 4AC. So D equal to, What is the value of b? Minus 3 squared minus 4 into a is 2 into c is your 5. Or you can say d equal to 3 9 minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 ja 40. Or d equal to minus 31. When the value of d is in negative, no real roots. Since the value, if you ask the nature, the value of d, then in the given quadratic equation is minus 31. If you ask what is the nature of the roots, no real roots. It will have imaginary roots. When the value of d is negative, then you will not have any real roots. Okay, the roots will be imaginary, which will study in higher class, that is class 11th maths. How to find the imaginary roots, you will study in class 11th. Okay, no need to find. Now, one more question become, find the value of d of a quadratic equation. Okay, find the value of a or b or x, whatever may be, when the equation will have equal roots. When it will have equal roots. Equal roots means the quadratic equation will have equal roots if the value of d is equal to 0. Just we will see one question. Find the value of k for the quadratic equation have two equal roots. See here, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You have to find the value of k for which the quadratic equation will have equal roots. For this, very simple, it will be maybe of 2 marks in the board examination. Just what is the value of a? Coefficient of x squared 2. What is b? B equal to k. C equal to 3. First of all, find the value of d. D equal to what? B square minus 4ac. Or this equal to what is b? K whole square minus 4 into a into c is your 3. Or this equal to k square minus 4 to the 8 3 are 20. So the value of d you got k square minus 24. Now given quadratic equation will have equal roots if the value of d is equal to 0. You will write the given quadratic equation will have equal roots if d equal to 0. Now what is the value of d? How much you got? K square minus 24 equal to 0. Or k square, this implies k square equal to 24. Or this implies k equal to, when there is square, when you remove the square, this will become root here. And whenever you are putting the root, put plus and minus. K equal to plus minus root 24. You can write as 6 into 4. So k equal to plus minus root 4 is 2, that is 2 root 6. So the value of k, if you put plus 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6, then the equation will have equal roots. Now what is the condition for equal roots? The value of d should be equal to 0. So k equal to plus minus. One more sum will do. See here, kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, I am giving 2 minutes time, you solve it. After that I will explain. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Whenever sit in the maths class, you sit along with your copy, so that whatever the problems, tomorrow I will take test on quadratic equation. So do practice. Okay, all the problems. I will give 10 questions to solve. You sit with the copy and solve all the problems. Okay, then I will tell you the answers in the last. You can check it, assess yourself only. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Simple. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is a quadrant. Now you can do it. Find the value of d. then the given quadratic equation will have equal roots if the value of d equal to 0. Then get the value of the k. Come on, do it. I am giving 1 minute time. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. I think most of the students got it. See, kx square minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now, first of all, write the value of a. A equal to how much you will get? Coefficient of x square is k. B equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. Find the value of d. D equal to b square minus 4ac. Or this equal to b square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6. Or this equal to 2 square, that is 4k square minus 6 4 that 24. I think all of you might have got this value 4k square minus 24k. This is the value of d. Then you will write the given quadratic equation will have equal roots if d equal to 0. The quadratic equation will have two equal roots if d equal to 0. And what is the value of d? How much you got? D equal to, you got 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Now what is common over here? If you take this implies 4 is 4 6 are 24, 4 is common and k is also common. So we'll take outside. This will become k minus 6 equal to 0. This into this equal to 0 means either of it will be 0. When 4k equal to 0, k equal to 0 by 4, or you can say k equal to 0, or k minus 6 equal to 0, k equal to 6. Now you got two values 0 as well as 6. Now but if you put k equal to 0 in this quadratic equation, the equation will be inadmissible, means it will not be a quadratic equation. So you will write, since if you put k equal to 0, the equation will be inadmissible. So k equal to 6 equal to required value of k equal to 6. Okay. If you put k equal to 6, the given quadratic equation will have equal roots. Now, one two important problem sums we'll do. Time is running out, only 5 minutes left. See here, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for a same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, what is saying? A train is traveling at a uniform speed. If the speed had been, suppose the train is moving with 100 kilometers. If you increase the speed of the train, then it will take how many? 1 hour less. Suppose the train was moving with 100 kilometers per hour. It is taking 3 hours. Had you been the increase the speed of the train by 5 kilometers, means if it was traveling with 100, then you increase the speed by 5 means 105. Then it will take 1 hour less. Previously it was taking 3 hours. Then when you increase the speed, it will take 1 hour less for the whole journey. You have to find the speed of the train. Speed is not given. Let the uh, speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the train equal to x. Now what is the distance is given? 360 kilometer. You know time equal to, I am writing it short, time equal to distance by speed. So time taken by the train. Time taken by that train equal to what is the distance? 360 upon what is the speed of the train? X. Okay, the time taken by the train equal to 360 by X. That this will be in hours. Okay, this will time taken by the train is 360 hours. Now, if the speed is increased, if the speed increased by 5 kilometers, increased by 5 kilometers per hour, then the speed equal to x plus 5. Okay, let the speed of the train equal to x kilometers per hour. We know that time equal to distance upon speed. Time taken by the train equal to what is the distance? Distance is given 360 kilometer. Upon we assume the speed of the train as x. So 360 by x, always time will be in hours, you wrote hours. Now if the speed is increased by 5 kilometer, then the speed equal to x plus 5. Now time taken by that train equal to 360 upon x plus 5. Now you increase the speed of the train by 5 kilometers, so 360 upon x plus 5 hours. Now according to problem, now we'll write according to problem. According to problem. If you increase the speed by 5 kilometers per hour, then it is taking 1 hour less than the original speed. Okay, if you increase the speed, what is the time taken? 360 upon x plus 5. What was the time taken when the time 360 upon x? Previous time is. Now it when you increase the speed by, it will take 1 hour less, means minus 1. Okay. Now what we'll do? 360 upon x plus 5 minus 360 upon x equal to minus 1. Now take LCM x plus 5 into x. Okay, x into 360. 360 x minus 360 into x plus 5 equal to minus 1. Now solve it. 360. See here, x into x will be x square plus 5x. 360x minus 360 into x, 360x minus 5056, the 30, 0, 3, 5, 15, 3, 18, 1800 is equal to minus 1. Now this will cancel. You can say minus 1800 upon x square plus 5x is equal to minus 1. Minus minus is cancelled. Or x square plus 5x is equal to 1800. Or x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. Now you can solve this quadratic equation by either by factorization method. If you're getting the, see here, I told you not find the prime factors of this, then it will easy. Otherwise, do by formula method also, you will get the answer. Therefore, when you get solve it, you will get x equal to 40 and minus 45. As you know, the speed cannot be negative, so neglecting x equal to minus 45, x equal to 40. So the speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, you do practice quadratic small chapters, that I think all will score maximum marks in this chapter. Okay, very easy chapter also. So tomorrow time is running out. With this, I am ending my class. Okay, tomorrow I will take test on the quadratic equation. Okay,